Hello, hello, testing, hello. Hello, hello, guys. Hello, guys. Can you hear me? Okay. All right. Hello. Okay, so what's the status of Bank Nifty today? Okay, so hello, guys. Can you hear me? अभी 8 जनवरी का मैसेज आ रहा है. Market expected to open on a positive note after 1.5 hours. Just check this. I forgot to bring my mouse, so I'll face some problem over here. Right. As you see, guys, it has made an impulse move right over over at this point. So let's check a few more levels. It has to break, some resistance over here to go up right now. Facing a difficulty here without the mouse. I forgot to bring my mouse today. Trend line. Hello guys, can you hear me? Please say yes in the live chat if you can hear me. Okay, yeah, decreasing the music. What's Shanky saying? Did anyone make a profit in this channel, guys? Well, as you see, I'm in Starbucks today and we are doing a live stream from Starbucks itself. It's quite empty over here. No one in Starbucks. Already made some profit in the morning. There was some huge volatility. So Kumar K, I guess you were the one asking me about the impulse move, right? Uh, can you see this point right over here? This is the point where the impulse move had taken place. So what you could have done to catch this move is this strategy is, you know, really profitable. Like, I have never made losses, and even if I have made losses, it got converted into profits. Can you see these impulse move over here, the long shadows which is getting formed right over there? Okay, now check, I have decreased the volume. Okay, we have 2 viewers. That's more than enough for me. Adjusted my levels over here to 31,615. Let's see what he's saying. Well guys, market is expected to make a move upside. I think I'll need one more phone. Alright. Still need to decrease little more music dominating your voice. Okay, you're going to teach something today. Yes, Kumar, I'll be showing you how to take the you know, touch and go strategy. So mic is causing a problem. Oh. Yeah, Kumar, can you hear me now? Yeah, 31,615 is the important level for Bank Nifty. Yeah, Kumar, so about the impulse move which I was saying, right now if you can check these levels, can you see these long shadows over here? This long shadow, this long shadow, this long shadow. This implies that the market is not willing to go down because there are huge amount of buyers sitting over here. So these are called the impulse move. Thank you, Shubhadeep. I have drawn basically a Fibonacci retracement. I did use the manual line because I don't have my mouse right now. I forgot to bring my mouse today, and yeah, I'll be using this and adjusting them accordingly. So yeah, as I was saying, these moves are, not meant to be sustained. So what you can do is that over here, oh my god, again it has moved. It's getting so complicated, this system. Okay, okay guys, so what you can do is that you can exactly place a buy order right below these support. There's one support over here at this point, there's one support over here at this point, there's one support over here at this point. So when the market is coming down, obviously the market, won't be able to break three supports at one go. It would need to, come down with a huge amount of force to break that support. So if you place the buy order right over here or even over here, there'll be an impulse move right over there, this point, and then it'll scoop up the price and it'll go up. And you can, after it goes up, you can you can trail your SL really fast to this place or this place, and then you can wait and see your profits, your profits roll, and in that way you don't have to make a loss. I don't know why people make loss, and previously I also used to make loss because I always used to buy when the market price is increasing, when the price is going upwards. Never follow the price, guys. If you are following the price, then it'll hit you really badly. Always remember, you have to make sure that you are placing your orders exactly at the major support and resistance. You have to wait patiently for those levels. So again, there was an impulse move. As you see, guys, the market was coming down, it was coming down, 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 and when it came down till this level, it had taken the support right over here at this point. And then again in this candle it wanted to come down, but as there are so many supports over here, 1 2 3 supports, it could not sustain the down move, and there was an impulse move right over there. So if you had a buy order placed exactly, even not exactly, say even at 31,065, or even 80, 31,082, it would have, came down, it would have, taken your buy order or CE order, whatever, and then it would have moved upwards, and you could have booked it easily, because when it, comes down, it just goes up really fast. So after it came down, it went up, and you could have trailed your SL till this point where you see that the market is ranging. Then the market will dance, and then it'll go up or come down, but it won't come down over here again. So this is called the impulse move. I hope that's clear. If yes, just give me a hell yeah in the chat, please, Kumar. Okay, so really boring market going on right now, nothing special happening. Gonna sip some coffee. If the market reverses, what happens? Okay, Kumar, look, if the market will reverse when it's coming down, obviously it's risky. So as soon as you see the impulse move, as soon as you see that the market, because you are placing your order at, at a level where it's like 100 points below, the market is coming down. When it's coming down, say it's coming down from here, it's coming down here, and you won't place an order over here, you won't place an order over here, because there is no support or resistance over here. But you will be placing an order right over here where there are many support and resistance, so that even if the market comes down and you are at a loss, it will eventually go up, take a retracement, halt over there for you to trail your stop loss. it'll give you a breather to trail your stop loss. You don't have to exit at this impulse move. And even if you try to exit at this impulse move over here, if you're trying to exit at this impulse move, it came down, you are seeing a loss of 10,000, 5,000, whatever your quantity size is. You're seeing a loss. When you see the loss and when you try to exit, you will be exiting at a profit, because this move is so fast. It's just light speed, guys. You see the loss and it goes up. It just bam, it's just like that. So you will not be at a loss ever, and it all depends upon your experience, how you're placing the order for the impulse move. Well, I'll be placing an order exactly at 130. It's trading. Obviously, look, Shubhadeep, one thing I want to make it clear. You follow Alex, you follow all the big traders, Anish Singh Thakur, and all the big traders. They have a lot to lose. Even if they lose 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakhs, or even 1 crore, it doesn't matter. So they won't trail their stop loss. They are they already have a huge capital with themselves. They won't come in the footpath if they make a loss. But we people, we are small traders. When we are in the market, when we are trading, we need to make sure that whatever profits we are getting, at least 2 points, 3 points above, as soon as it comes above, we have to trail our stop loss in order to preserve our capital. Remember, guys, preservation of capital is more important than making profits in the market. Always remember this. You want to sustain in the market, preserve the capital, because in the stock market, if you want to be there, if you want to go big, you need to practice, and there's a cost of practicing. The cost is your capital. The cost is you have to maintain your capital. Otherwise, once you're at a loss, you won't be able to trade. And obviously, borrowing money from here and there and trading is not advisable at all. You should trade with your own money and with your own income, and then only you will realize the importance, how you'll realize how important it is to preserve your capital and make sure ending the day in green is more important. Obviously, 100% always. So I would not say you will always seeing greenery in your account. A trader is one who can take losses, but the losses needs to be as minimal as possible, guys. Make sure your losses are as minimal as possible. Say your capital size is 10,000. Okay, if your capital say if your capital is 10,000, don't take a loss anything more than 500 rupees. Your drawdown should not be more than 5% or 10% of your entire capital sizing. And if it is, that means that's the end of the shelf life, that's the end of your strategy. You won't be able to sustain that. You have to change, you have to go for some new learning, and you have to upgrade yourself. You can't follow that strategy blindly again. And as you see, guys, it's again approaching this level, and if it sustains, you know it might go up. And my view is also towards the upside, but I can see a resistance over here, one resistance over here, one resistance over here, one resistance over here. Even there are many resistance over here, 1 2 3. So it has to there has to be some amount of buying pressure over here. So I wanted to ask you guys a question. What exactly is your capital size? How much capital are you bringing to the market? Or are you bringing everything, or are you saving a bit? At the end of the day, I mean, it's your mental health which is in question. There are the impulses around 31,800. 31,800. Yeah, there were impulse move around 31,800, as you can see, guys. Well, see, as you see, there was a huge impulse over here. Why? If you would have placed your order over here at 31,800, or even obviously you won't place your buy order exactly at the support. You will place your buy order a bit below. So say 31,800 was the support. Okay, this is the support. You will place your buy order at least 20 to 30 points below. And when the markets are volatile, yeah, so when the markets are volatile, you need to place your buy orders at least 50 to 60 points below if you're operating in bank nifty, because it'll come and go. It'll be really fast. Yeah, are you getting it, Kumar? Are you getting the impulse move? Look, why I'm sharing the strategy, the impulse strategy, is that I personally I have never made a loss in this strategy. But it depends upon you how you are placing your orders. It depends upon your experience. You can't learn the impulse move at one go, because if you are placing the impulse move, remember guys, it will show you a loss in your account. It'll be 1000, 2000, 3000. But then after showing the loss, it'll go up. 30-minute yeah, I follow the longer time frame. Right now I'm just observing the market, but on an intraday basis, 30-minute time frame, I mean, I don't think it's recommended, because you're trading for one day within that day. So what I would recommend is a 5-minute time frame. I'm having that on right now because I'm just looking the market, observing the market from a bigger picture. Right now I'm not entering into any trade. I'm patiently waiting for the market to make its move. So that's why I have the 30-minute time frame on, which is ideal, so that I can get the major levels, where are the major support. I'll give you an example, Kumar. When you're going to a bag showroom, there are many types of bag showroom. Samsonite bag, you'll get Wildcraft bag, and you'll get local bags, footpath bags in the footpath also. So when you're buying a bag from Samsonite, obviously it'll be of good quality. Why? Because the time spent in making that bag is, it was huge. They have crafted it. They were experts crafting it. In the similar way, when you're looking at a time frame which is of 30 minutes, obviously it will be more valid than a 5-minute time frame. It won't be like a China bag. A 5-minute time frame is like China product, and you should not follow Chinese product, I believe, if you're in the market, right? You should not follow that. Guys, do tell me if the video is clear, or is there any lag, any latency in the video. I have marked it to 10% of the capital in option trading, 5% SL. 10%, try to keep as low as possible. Okay, 10% of that capital, I would consider that to also be really high. 10,000, if your capital size is 10,000, you're making 1,000 loss. Next day you again make 1,000 loss. 10%. Still, I think that's a bit too high. Keep it low, keep it 5%. Make sure you are in the market to earn. Thank you, Shubhadeep. Yeah, the video is clear. I guess the Wi-Fi is working. So you're in the market to earn. You are not in the market to lose. You know you are coming to the market. You are not going for a job. You're working. You're observing the charts. And to make a loss, is that valid? No, right? You have to make a profit. Make sure that you are always at a profit. Your mindset should be that I am a successful trader, and you have to do the analysis. And it's pointless, guys, observing the charts, making these analysis, if at the end of the day you will have to be at a loss, right? 1 minute or 3-minute time frame is not recommended. 1 minute time frame is recommended to find out false breakout and good breakouts. And if you are a really fast scalper like me, if you are scalping at light speed, so this one two, you have to use both your fingers. Place your order with your phone. You can't place it with the computer, and your net connection needs to be really fast. So 1 minute time frame would be advisable, and you can make, I have seen scalpers make a huge amount of profit with that too. But 5-minute time frame would be ideal, because 1-minute time frame is, it's basically all it's completely fake. You won't even understand the move of the market. Let me just change this to one. There's even 1 second time time frame. If you are an algo, you can trade in 1 second, I believe. Humans can't trade so the 5 minute time frame, as you can see. Let me just change it to 1 minute time frame. Let's follow 1 minute time frame. All right. 30 420. Okay, 31,620 seems good resistance for today. 31,600. 31,600. Okay. 51,100. No, that's like way above. Yeah, it is actually. And if you can track this behind, it used to be a support, and now it's acting as a resistance. So the previous day's support, it became a resistance right now, and this is actually a good level. Shubhadeep, yeah, it's a good level.